How can we resist attempts to influence us? At the beginning of this lecture, we learned that there are two responses to social influence: yielding and resisting. In this last section, let's review some of the strategies that we sometimes use to resist others' attempts to influence us. First, be prepared to present a consistent counter-argument and be vigilant about identifying who might be trying to influence you at any given moment. Also, align yourself with allies who share your perspective and who can offer emotional support. Reciprocal worriness means we shouldn't feel obligated to reciprocate others' attempts to influence us. Sometimes disengagement is the best response. We'll also want to build our courage so we can set boundaries and hold others accountable for crossing them. And finally, beware of social influences that try to get us to compromise our personal identity or values. This is a major red flag. Throughout this lecture, you explored various aspects of social influence, a process that's extremely relevant to groups and teams. So, in the next lecture, you'll learn about the individual's experience of group dynamics.